Hello all you orchid lovers. Welcome to my next video, where we share our passion and tips to help the orchids stay healthy and bloom beautifully. In today's video, I will continue to share with you an effective method to revive orchids using natural materials that anyone can do right at home. Please follow me as I demonstrate. Please subscribe to the channel to support me. Let's get started. In front of you is an orchid that is in critical condition because it has not been properly cared for after flowering. Due to being in a weakened condition, the leaves have been attacked by insects, causing them to turn yellow and almost completely detach from the trunk. Due to being in a weakened condition, the leaves have been attacked by insects, causing them to turn yellow and almost completely detach from the trunk. It has even deeply penetrated all the parts of the ant's branches so that new leaves cannot grow out. I just need to apply a slight pressure and the leaves automatically fall off. I just need to apply a slight pressure and the leaves automatically fall off. Next, I will check the substrate part to see which components still have vitality to continue developing. Through overall observation, I see that some of the roots have become rotten and even begun to leak water, creating a very unpleasant odor. But the good news is that there is still a part of the roots that remains green and healthy. With proper care, they can still recover and continue to grow. I will remove this old substrate to have a clearer view, helping us to come up with an appropriate treatment method for the condition the plant is suffering from. This also helps the plant eliminate any pathogens present in the growing medium, while providing the plant with a new environment for more space to grow. Use scissors to trim off the damaged root parts. This helps the plant remove the deposits on the roots, allowing the plant to concentrate nutrients to develop new roots. This flower stem has also rotted, so I have cut it off as well. Here is still a leaf that is still green. I will keep it to help the plant photosynthesize and absorb light. After pruning, I will wash this orchid under clean running water. Washing thoroughly helps remove all dirt, bacteria, or mold that may be clinging to the surface. This is an important step to prevent disease spread and create the healthiest environment for the orchid to recover. After washing it, I will use a soft cloth to dry the orchid. Drying it will help prevent water from accumulating in the leaf crevices, as this is often the cause of rot after handling. Next, I will use 0.3 kilograms of aloe vera to make fertilizer for the plants. Cut the aloe vera into small pieces. Aloe vera contains many enzymes, B vitamins, amino acids, and minerals that help the roots of orchids easily sprout, growing long and strong. Scoop the chopped aloe vera into a jar. Add 1 liter of clean water to the aloe vera jar. Next, I use 100 milliliters of molasses, pour it into the jar, and stir it well. After stirring well, we close the lid again and incubate. After 1 week, we loosen the lid and continue to incubate for an additional 3 months before use. Here I have a bottle of nutrient water that has been brewed for 3 months, and I will take it out to use. Sugarcane juice is rich in sugar, B vitamins, and many trace minerals, calcium, magnesium, potassium, iron, serving as a source of easily absorbable organic nutrition. I use 2 small teaspoons. Dissolve it in 1 liter of warm water. The next ingredient I will use is turmeric powder. The active substance curcumin in turmeric has the ability to inhibit harmful bacteria and fungi. It will help wounds dry quickly and prevent them from rotting. Add a tablespoon of turmeric powder to the mixture and stir well. Cover it tightly, and then wrap it with a towel outside to keep it warm for 1 hour so that the active ingredients dissolve together into a liquid solution. After 1 hour, the active ingredients in it have dissolved. We will filter out the sediment. If you encounter any difficulties in caring for orchids, don't hesitate to leave a comment to let me know. I am always ready to help you. Use a soft cotton pad soaked in the nutrients to wipe on the orchid. Wiping the upper leaves helps keep the leaves clean and free from dust, while the underside helps remove insects, fungi, and pathogens that can harm the plant. Wiping the upper leaves helps keep the leaves clean and free from dust, while the underside helps remove insects, fungi, and pathogens that can harm the plant. This method helps the plant absorb nutrients quickly, evenly, and recover rapidly. Curcumin also has the effect of promoting cell regeneration, thereby helping young roots to grow faster and healthier. After 20 minutes, we will take the orchid out. At this point, the nutrients have been evenly absorbed into each cell of the roots, stimulating strong root growth. Don't forget to use a cloth to wipe off the droplets of water remaining on the leaves, as this helps the plant photosynthesize better. To ensure that the wound does not recur, I will use turmeric powder to apply to the cut in order to disinfect the orchid. Then let it sit for a day to allow the wound to dry naturally before planting it. While waiting, I will go prepare the tools to plant the trees. Prepare a piece of floral foam and a vase for me. Measure and cut a piece of foam along the bottom line of the vase to ensure the foam fits the vase, helping to stabilize the plant better. After one day, we will put the orchid in for planting. Here, I have also prepared an iron rod and a clamp to keep the plant from falling over during the growth stage. Use filtered water or cooled boiled water to water the orchids. We water the amount of water equal to the surface of the sponge, and when it's gone, we water it again. Use a vented jar with holes, cover it to protect it from external impacts. Then place the plant in an ideal environment for it to thrive. I will not waste the excess nutrients, but utilize them to care for other orchids in the garden. This leaf cleaning method helps the plant breathe, removes dirt or mold stuck on the leaves, allowing the leaves to water, become glossy, and photosynthesize better. In addition, aloe vera contains many enzymes, amino acids, natural growth hormones, and compounds with antibacterial and antifungal properties. You can pour that nutrient solution into a container and spray it directly onto the leaves using the foliar fertilization method. This method helps the plant absorb nutrients directly through the leaves to nourish the plant, stimulating rapid growth and vibrant flowering. Sugarcane molasses contains natural sugars, B vitamins, and trace minerals, Ca, Mg, Fe, K, which help orchids have abundant energy, increase photosynthesis capacity, and produce thicker and shinier green leaves. Or instead of spraying, we can water the substrate. When this solution is applied, beneficial microorganisms in the substrate thrive, creating a well-aerated and nutrient-rich environment for the orchid roots. Moreover, it also inhibits pathogens in the growing medium. Then use a soft cloth to wipe off any remaining fertilizer droplets on the leaves, especially the tender parts, to avoid leaf rot. The plant will grow more stable and robust. During this time, we will allow the plants to have more airflow and receive more light to help them grow healthily. After 1 month, we will remove the tree to check. As you can see, the tree has grown a new shoot. The previous wounds have healed completely, especially in the root system. The new roots have sprouted a lot. So our method is very effective and the tree is growing very well. Although the plant is growing very well, this is not the ideal time to move it to a new environment. We will put the plant back in the pot and mist it to keep it moist. Only after 1 month, the orchid has shown remarkable growth, as it has been properly cared for, and the seedling is much sturdier than before. The young roots are protruding, round, thick, and white. This indicates that the tree is preparing for a new journey and a promising new environment in the future. Prepare a pot that has holes in it to help the plants with better aeration and drainage. I will use pine bark to help create a well-drained growing medium and provide space for the roots to develop. I will use pine bark to help create a well-drained growing medium and provide space for the roots to develop. Evenly spreading pine bark helps stabilize the plant, and the roots will absorb nutrients more evenly. Gently tap around the edge of the pot to evenly distribute the pine bark inside the substrate. Gently tap around the edge of the pot to evenly distribute the pine bark inside the substrate. You should perform these care steps for the orchid every 2 weeks to achieve the best results. While on normal days, we just need to mist to keep the substrate moist. Earlier, I had prepared additional nutrients so that I would have them ready to care for the plants after planting. I continue to use a spray bottle to fertilize the plants through their leaves. This method, although simple, is extremely effective. Then I water the substrate again. Sugarcane juice and aloe vera are like two companions. One is nutritious, the other protects, and when combined, they create a balanced biosolution that both nourishes the plants and prevents diseases. Then place the plant in a dry, ventilated area with gentle light for the plant to gradually grow. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss the next videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.